so today I'm going to be showing you the sizes of all three Hulken bags. I have the large, the medium, and the small. The small is my newest one, and this is the new version, the 2.0 version. And these two are the older version, so they don't have the zip top. I did buy the one that you can attach, but I don't have it with me right now. I actually don't use that very often because it's just not as convenient as having it already in the bag. It was really ingenious how they put it or integrated it into the bag. So I'll just open these up for you. If you want to see the zipper top, it's just like in here, like a panel in here, and all you do is pull it out and zip it up when you want to. And so handy, great for groceries, and when you don't want it to like fall out. Also, I use my Hulken bag at the airport a lot. This would have been a really nice feature to have. And the one I take to the airport is the medium size. But this would be great too if you're not traveling with like 2 kids. Super easy to wheel around your stuff. But yeah, I love the new version. So this is the sizes. So you can see them all together in person. You get the large, the medium, and the small. So for reference, let's see, I have my son's baseball bag. It's just a backpack, like a regular size backpack. So if I put it in the small, it fits with like a little bit of room for other stuff. If I put it in the medium, I could probably fit 2 backpacks in there. And if I put it in the large, I could fit at least 3 backpacks. So hopefully that was helpful. I know when you're buying it, it's like hard to tell the size in person or not. Like I'm 5'1", so these are how big they are next to me. And I do have another video where I compare the medium and the large if you're going in between those. But since they had the small in stock, I had to grab one. And I love the rose gold color, it's so pretty. And this one's great because you can just, this is the one I would take to the grocery store most of the time because it fits pretty much everything I need for the regular grocery store. If I go to Costco though, like this size would be better. So yeah, you can just walk into the grocery store, have it like this, and then take it apart, and then when you're ready to check out. The medium one I love for the airport. I've taken this on at least 3 trips now because it folds up like this, and we have all our luggage. I have my backpack in here and the kids' backpacks, and then take it all the way to the gate. And once we're at the gate, everyone wears their own backpack, and then I simply just put this on. It's kind of the size of a purse. I've never had anyone stop me or say anything. I have my backpack and then this. The large is the one I take to the park when I have the tennis gear, baseball gear, whatever, and it's really good. This is what it looks like if I carry it around. They're all very light, but they wheel so nicely. So if you get a chance, get the new version of these. I love the zip top that comes with it on the new ones. Yeah, I'll insert some footage or photos of me using it in real life so you can get a better picture of what it looks like.